Hey everyone, welcome back to Clear the Row. In this video, I'm going to be going over Spanzito's DevTools Global Search Pro. Just to let you all know, this was gifted to me for free to just do a video review and kind of just go over it and see what my thoughts are. I've never actually downloaded this or opened this, so this will be a first time look with you guys. This is an Unreal Engine plugin that lets you instantly search all assets, blueprints, and project data directly inside the editor without affecting performance or slowing anything down. So I'll go ahead and open this in Unreal Engine and check this out. So I've just gone ahead and opened up my Ninja Bear Studios projects, which just has some combat and looting capabilities. I'm going to head over to Edit Plugins and look for the Global Search Pro. Just to let you all know, this is an $18 plugin. It has 6 reviews, all at 5 stars. So I'm pretty curious to see how this will work. And now this is pretty cool. I pretty much have the search bar up here now. It says indexing blueprints, 1 out of, let's say almost 9,000. So I went ahead and clicked re-index and it just went straight to 93%. I'm guessing this is just going to take another couple seconds or so. All right, so up here it says search blueprints, functions, variables, events, etc. I'm just going to type in something simple like inventory, and then I already see my widget blueprint and all these tags and icons from Cinti of that has like the inventory in the path or even in the icon name itself. So pretty cool. Let's see what this magnifying glass does. So it'll show me the get inventory and the set inventory. It even shows me the functions here. So that's actually pretty awesome. It's showing me exactly where this is. So we have the set inventory right here and then the get inventory right here. So that's really cool. I have this little small window UI pop-up. I can even roam around this. So let me click on this and it takes me exactly where this is. So it does show me that where the set inventory and get inventory is. That's pretty awesome. That is the crazy that is not included in Unreal Engine already. So I've just gone ahead and created this random custom event. I'm not going to re-index it. I'm just going to test this out to see if it works. And now I'll just go ahead and search for that function that I created. And it does show up. So that's pretty cool. I didn't even have to re-index this. And it just takes me straight to it. So that is a really cool, that's a really cool plugin for Unreal Engine. I really do like it. Is only 18 US dollars. And if you do want to help increase productivity and you do find this useful, feel free to check it out or just, yeah. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment below, and see you next. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.